In this video, I will show you how to download your TikTok account data. Open up TikTok. Push on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Press on these three lines or dots in the upper right corner. Come down to where it says Settings and Privacy, push on that. Press on Account. Then this tab here that says Download your data. It says here, your request may take a few days to process. After your file is ready, it will be available to download for up to 4 days. It will expire if you request data again. Data may include your profile, your activity, and your app settings. You can select the file format. I will choose TXT. Press Request Data. Request has been filed. A zip file will be available to download in 4 days. Now you just sit and wait for 4 days until your data is available to download. And that's how you do it, guys. How to download your TikTok account data.